Okay, shoe lovers, let's talk tariffs. You know that feeling when you've been saving up for those limited edition kicks, and bam, the price tag suddenly looks like a phone number? Well, tariffs might be the culprit. What's a tariff, you ask? It's basically a tax on stuff brought in from other countries. Think of it like this. Imagine your favorite sneakers are made overseas. When they get shipped here, the government slaps on an extra fee. That's the tariff. Now, who pays that extra fee? You guessed it, you, the consumer. That's why those sneakers suddenly cost an arm and a leg. But hold up, there's more to this story. Tariffs aren't just about higher prices. They can have a ripple effect on the whole economy. On one hand, tariffs can protect local businesses. Let's say there's a sneaker factory in your country struggling to compete with cheaper imports. A tariff on those imports could give the local factory a fighting chance. But on the other hand, tariffs can make things more expensive for everyone, hurt businesses that rely on imports, and even spark trade wars with other countries. It's a complex issue with no easy answers. Some people argue that tariffs protect jobs and boost local industries. Others say they stifle trade and hurt consumers in the long run. So, the next time you see a price hike on your favorite sneakers, remember there might be more to the story than meets the eye. It could be a tale of tariffs, trade wars, and the global economy.